Hello everyone. Today I received Mindtree Internship Interest Check Mail 2022 batch. So देखते हैं इसमें क्या है. So if you will go here. So this mail is dear candidate. Greeting from Mindtree. Hope you and your loved ones are safe and healthy. You are receiving this email as you have signed and accept the offer from Mindtree for C1 engineer role. So if you have accept the offer letter from Mindtree, then you will receive this internship mail. So many of you ask this is paid or unpaid internship. So I'll tell all the things in this video. The first thing, the duration is 12 to 15 weeks. So you will check here based on multiple requests from students community to help their 8th semester project details. We are launching the 8th semester internship program for offer accepted candidate means who have accepted the offer letter of Mindtree, they will receive this internship mail. So there is a please check click here to confirm your interest. A request to complete the survey before 4 p.m. on January 25th, 2022. So this is expire on 25th 4 p.m. So if you will really interested, then go for click here option. So I'll click on the click here option. So this is a Microsoft form. You'll see here Mindtree C1 Engineer 2020 batch offer internship interest check. So here is a 4-minute survey. You can go and fill this survey. Your name, your email, registered email. So you reconfirm your email, then your mobile number registered with Mindtree, and then confirm your interest to be part of Mindtree paid internship program. So you will check here. This is a paid internship program. So if you will click yes, then there is another. If you have any other query or input for us, and then you will go for submit. So this is all of the Mindtree C1 internship interest check. So if you are really interested to do internship, paid internship, you will check here Mindtree paid internship program. This is a paid internship. So if you are really interested, then please fill this form as a yes, I am interested. So for more other updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel and like our video and share with your friends who will not receive and who also want to join Mindtree. So thank you for watching this video.